Hi there, students. Indebted, from the verb to indebt, and you could have a noun, the quality indebtedness. Okay, if somebody is indebted, it means they owe money. So I'm indebted to the bank. The company is deeply indebted to the bank. But we very often use this adjective figuratively, meaning I owe you one. I have a debt of gratitude. I'm really grateful because of the help given to me. So I'm really indebted to you for the work you did for me. I'm indebted to you for all the help you have given. Okay, so if somebody's indebted, they are grateful, yeah, because of help that somebody has given you, yeah. It's like saying I'm in your debt, yeah. Okay, so I'm indebted to her for doing all that work for me and only charging me a very small amount. I think the verb to indebt is most commonly used just for money. But this word indebted, I'm deeply indebted to you. I'm really indebted to you. Yeah, I'm saying that I'm really grateful for it. I'm much obliged to you. I'm indebted to you and much obliged for all the help that you've given me. Yeah. Um, yeah, in the autobiography, he talked about his indebtedness to his father for all the help that he had given. It's like owing gratitude because you've received a favor. Yeah, you're obliged. So much obliged. I'm much indebted to you. Okay, so this is the idea. Let's see. Indebted. Beholden to. Okay, I owe you one. Yeah, I feel I have a moral obligation or an obligation of gratitude towards you for being so generous or kind or helpful or something like that. Yeah, so thank you for all the help and favors that you've given me. I'm most indebted to you. Um, Very often they use indebted post positively after the noun. An indebted, a fan indebted to him for all of the help that he's given. So it's like you're morally or socially obligated to this person because they've been so good to you. So, formality. I'm much indebted to you. This is a little bit formal. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. Use it in a conversation, but not in an informal one. Use it in informal frameworks. Maybe even 6.5 in formality. Use it in a semi-formal writing or even a formal writing. Yeah. Okay. So indebted, and then as to origin, well, it comes from the word debt. Yeah, a debt where you owe somebody money, which comes from Latin debitum, something that's owed, from debeo, I owe. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. I'm much indebted to you for all your kind comments.